What's going on, Showtime? Bring you another video. This here is a Mercedes Benz 2007 E350. Okay, nice car. They brought it over here because it was having like an intermittent start. It'd start and then it wouldn't start. Wouldn't start. And I kind of tested the battery. Battery was good. Put a new battery in it actually. And so anyway, I put the scanner on it and it showed the code of the crankshaft position sensor. So that's what I'm doing today to this thing here. Basically I already started it. I took the air breather cover off, which is right there. Pretty simple. Well, actually it's not simple. It's simple, but it's not simple to get at. Let's put it that way. Here's the new part. Here's the old part. It's an import direct. I bought it from O'Reilly's. Part number right there. 19-0340. And here's the old one that I already took off of it. Okay. Kind of worn. Had a little bit of metal shavings on there. You can see them right there. See it right there. So, anyway, what I did, again, I took the air breather off. I pulled this dipstick out so it wouldn't be in my way. Let me see. And then I went ahead and pulled the map sensor off, which is right here. All it is this clip right here. And this clip, all you gotta do is just kind of open them up and they'll pop right out. Okay, there's your plug for it. There's a plug and there's a plug there. Okay. Then I took off the manifold here. Okay. I believe that's what that's called. Yeah. Okay. And all that did was just kind of pop out. Okay. And then you got the you got your exhaust hose right here, or your vacuum line or whatever right here. Okay. You can take that off. Your hose right there. Okay. It goes right down there. Let me get down there. It goes right there. See it right there? Right there. Okay. Alrighty. So you can get it through this side. You can get it and I'm on the passenger side. You can get it through the other side, the driver's side, and it is on the driver's side. I got it on the driver's side. It seemed like that was easier for me. Okay. Tools I needed was just a Torx 30, and that was it. And let me see if I can. It's kind of hard to see down here because it's way down here on the transmission and the actual motor itself. Okay, but it's down there. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. Boy, it's kind of hard to get you guys a view of that. Let me see if I can go through this other side. Okay, here's the Torx wrench that I used right here. It's just a Torx T30. I taped it up right here so it wouldn't keep sliding off the socket that I used, because I used an extension, whatever. And again, I got it out through this side here. Just kind of fit it in there. Stick your hand back there, fit the little Torx bit in there, and then put your socket on there. Just make sure you got a long enough extension. And that's pretty much it. And there's really, it's down there. Let me see if I can. All you gotta do is reach your hand back there. You'll know where it's at. It'll be right about here. You can see my hand. So that's about it to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together, since I did get the new one already, and let's see what the heck happens. I'll get right back at you. All right. Anyway, we're all put back together. We all got it. Put the cover on. Put everything back on it. Took the dipstick off. Okay. Let's see what it does. I don't know. Let's see what it does. Cleaned out the little air breather holes there a little bit. Let's see what it does. Oh shoot, I gotta get my keys out of my truck. Hang on one second. Alright, here we go. Let's try this here. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. Nice car, it's got a cracked windshield, but you know, what can we do about that? Ready? Let's go. Ready? 1, 2. Okay, I think we got a dead battery. Low battery. Let me